Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna snatch these brows into place, guys, and I'm gonna show you the easy step to get the perfect brows. Okay, stay tuned. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this magnesia to my brows. A little bit on your hand. So my peeps, just like that. Now when you add this milk of magnesia, it will lay your brows in place and it gives a good base for your eyebrow gel. And this one I'm gonna use is e.l.f. Cheap. You need a spoolie, one just like this one. First you want to line the bottom and you line the top, and then we're gonna fill the middle in. Okay, so can you see it? Just like that. And you want to do the same thing to the top. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go on in and I'm gonna fill the back part first. Now when you reach the front, I'm gonna make some strokes upwards like here. So guys, what you want to do with the front part, you want to use your spoolie, this part here, and you want to blend it in. And you got to work fast before it's dried and just blend it right in. Yes, that's it. Now the next step, I'm going to use some Pro Concealer or any concealer of your choice, and you want to clean up the bottom. Now I don't want no halo around here, so I'm gonna go in with my same foundation, any foundation of your choice. I'm gonna use Fenty, and I'm gonna use a little bit on the top to clean it up. Just like so, that's the top. And now I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl to clean up the bottom. And when you're cleaning up the bottom, lift your eyelid, okay? Lift it so it appears more bigger. And you can see exactly what you're doing. Voila, just like that. Now before you go ahead and bring it right down onto your eyelid, I have this eyelid primer, and I'm gonna add a little bit. You can add it before or during, but it's best to add it ahead of time. There you go. When you put the primer on your eyelid, it will make ready for your eyeshadow to pop on and be awesome. Okay, all right, then now I'm gonna continue with my concealer, and I'm gonna bring it right down to my eyelid. Blend everything together. Now if you're gonna apply shadow, you can go ahead with your shadow after it's dry, or if you're not gonna apply anything else, you want to set that with some powder, whichever you like. And guys, that's how I snatch my brows. I'm gonna do the next one, and I'm gonna show you the final result. Yes. Look at that. Yes. And guys, this is the final result, how to snatch your brows into place from none to oh my, yes. Before I had none, guys, and look at it, they look so real and nice. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love, and be blessed, and put God first. Bye guys.